You buy ha, you buy, but you need to speak English ha. Okay. Sige. What do you want to buy? You only. Go, come on, tell me. What do you want to buy, Ate Chelsea?
Ikaw lang. Kasi, hoy, wala kayo. Ikaw, inang kaya bang, gawa quick English kayo, magwani Korean.
Yes, come on, tell me. Sige, what do you want, Ate Chelsea?
Ay, maulang mo siya.
Oh, ikaw lang, dali. Di ka mawawi. You're not shy. Okay, dali, come on. Tell me. What do you want? What do you want to buy?
Ay, something.
What do you want to buy? Anything you can buy.
Something here that is.
What this one?
Monster iPhone. Monster iPhone.
What do you want?
Monster
Let him talk. Let him talk. What do you want?
Monster iPhone.
Monster eyeball. Only one? How many? Welcome. That's only? You can buy more, baby.
Balik na ko ni Tagtente.
Pila ka buhok lang? Wala. Baby, you can buy more. Come on.
Can I buy
What
Monster
else?
iPhone?
Let him finish first. Come here. What do you want more? More. You can buy more. It's only 7 pesos. You have 40 pesos. I'll give you 40 pesos. Sige, you want buy. You buy more. What do you want?
What do you want?
What food do you want? Sige,
What
choose.
do you want? Yes.
You want?
Some food.
What is that? Sour fruit?
Yes.
How many?
One.
One?
How many one?
What else you want to buy? Come on, you can buy more. Welcome. What else, baby? Come here. Show here. Come here. You can buy more.
You can
More.
buy more.
What else? What else you want to buy?
Yes. Candy.
What is that?
Yang.
What do you call that one? Nips? How many nips?
One.
Only one?
Yes.
Oh, you can buy 2. Yeah. Welcome. What's more? You can buy more. Come
I
on.
want to buy.
You can buy more. She's not yet done. Oh, later after. She's first. He's first. I mean, he's first. Come on, you can buy more. What else?
Well, second.
How many you want to buy this? How many, baby? One?
One.
Ay, hi, Kuya Kurt. One only. Here. Okay, what else? You can buy more.
I want to buy.
You have more. You can buy. Oh, later. After him, ha? After him. What else you want to buy? This one? One only? You have 10 pesos left. What else you want to buy? Welcome. What else? You can buy 10 pesos. What? You can choose biscuits 10 pesos. What do you want? This one? 5 pieces? Okay.
One.
Don't show it. Hey, slow. You're welcome. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome. Okay, si Ate Chelsea na sad.
I want to buy.
What do you call that one, Ate Chelsea? What do you call that? What is that? What is that name?
Monster eyeball.
How many? One?
Blue.
What else, Ate Chelsea? You can buy more, Ate Chelsea.
Okay, mo dyan sa TV.
Yes. How many? Speak. How many?
How many do you want to buy?
How many do you want to buy?
Pili mo, pila ka bukin paliton.
One? Only one?
Hira ka diri yan.
What else, baby? What else? Wait. What do you want, Ate Chelsea? Okay, this one? You have, wait lang, 7, 10. This one? One? Only one?
Dapat free.
What else? What else, Ate Chelsea? This one? How many? 5? What? Good for 5 lang ha. 2 for Pila ka buhok?
I'm trying.
Oh, you want to try daw? You want to try? Wait. What else, Ate Chelsea? Dugay kayo kay storya. Ate Chelsea, you can buy more. Hoy, tag biskuit, tag 12 ng chocolate. Apila na lang na. Ari, ba apila na? Siya. Ari, paduwaan na nako dali. Wait lang, siya. Tiwas sa Chelsea. Unsay, what else, Ate Chelsea? What else, ha? Bujang, what do you want to buy, Bujang?
I buy Monster eyeball.
How many monster eyeball? Only one? What else? What else, Bujang?
This.
What is that?
Chupa.
Chupa chups? Chupa chup? Chupa chups. Yeah, chupa chupa. What is chupa chupa? Where's chupa chupa? Where's chupa chupa? Where? Are you read?
Chupa.
Chups. Chupa chups. How many, Bujang? You can only buy one. What else, Bujang? Tishin, kung na si Tishin.
Sour fruit.
How many?
One.
Chris. Chris. What else, Bujang? You have 3 pesos.
1.
Cream stick, Bujang. Chris. Iya nga po, bugas na puti. Ay, ay.
Kanta ko na
Ako
nito.
ba?
Sira mo.
Kaya, bata si Kwanza, oh. Si kana siya ba? Si
Monster Idol. Mama, di mo na sila papila. Gilid papila.
Mimi.
Be,
Mimi, what do you want to buy, Mimi?
what do you want?
What do you want?
Nabili.
What do you want, bebe?
What do you want? Chokomot.
Okay na po mga buta natin.
What do you want?
Chokomocho?
What do you want, bebe?
Chocolate.
Ay, katay chokomocho.
Chocomocho? How many chocomocho?
Yan.
How many chocomocho?
One.
One? How many chocomocho? One?
Yeah.
Chocolate, chocolate. Thank you.
Go na. Go na.
Thank you.
Sige na.
Okay. Oh, ito yung one chinay. What is that? You can speak.
Monster Idol.
What do you want with that monster eyeball? You want?
Tatag na siya.
You want? You want? What do you want?
Monster Idol. One lang.
Do you want monster eyeball? Ako na lang. How many?
One.
One? What else do you want to buy?
Bye-bye.
What else?
Ayun, Sibo.
What else? Come on.
Come on, Chinay. Mana na line. Wala ka ba? Wala ka siya. Wala ka.
This one? What? How many? Two?
Ay, natulang si Kan.
Thank you. Yanzel. What do you want, Yanzel? What is that? What do you want?
Monster Idol.
Mr. Eyeball, your money is not enough. Get this one. You want Monster Eyeball? What else? How many Monster Eyeball? It's no more na pala. No more Monster Eyeball na. Star candy? Okay.
Nata ka Monster Idol na tayo, be?
No, thank you. Ansay mo, be? What do you want, be? You speak. Oy, you don't speak naman. Oy, I'm the
Sour
one
candy.
Ha? How many?
Sila ka buong dira. Gusto dati.
Oy, one na lang. Only one. What? Oh, one na lang.
Nabitaw pati kita kan pag Chinay.
Oh, yeah, taga-tune na. Wala, nakaimo. Sige, what else? You don't speak man, I will not give you na. You need to speak. How can I give you if you don't speak?
Inom na kami. Di ba inom si Chris? Mana? Anak ko na siya.
What do you want? Marshmallow? How many marshmallow? Two? The big one or the small one?
The big.
The big one.
The big one? Look, ito ba?
What else, be? What else you want to buy?
Bubble gum.
Bubble gum? How many bubble gum?
Ay, one.
One? You can have it two. I'll give you two. What else? What's that?
Chocolate.
Chocolate? How many chocolate?
One.
One?
One.
It's enough? Thank you. What do you want, Angel?
Can I buy chupa chup?
How many chupa
One
chups?
only. And one marshmallow. The big one.
Big one? Oh my god.
And two.
Well, can you get the one that it's dropped earlier? The one who dropped. Look at there. Is there's no, it's here. So what else you wanna buy?
Can I buy 2 star?
2 star?
Yes.
Okay, what else?
And 2 star. Can I buy piatos?
No, you can't. You can buy another one.
No, mga
You have 8 pesos, Angel.
8 pesos.
Pam-pam. You want pam-pam? Or biscuits?
Can I buy 1 mochi?
Mochi? What's mochi? What's mochi?
Small marshmallow.
Small marshmallow. This is mochi.
And 2.
How many with this? One and
this biscuit ako. 2 only.
2. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say thank you again.
Thank you.
Who else want to buy for free? Welcome. You need to speak, Pat. What do you want to buy, Pat?
Pita.
Fita, how many fita? 3? 2, 3. 3 fita. What else? Chocomocho? How many chocomocho? 2? Let me see. Oh, you too much. Only 1. Who else? Say thank you.
Thank you.
This wala bata. Wala ka na. Girls na sad. Do you wanna buy, Be? No, wala daw. Okay. Okay. Sige. What do you wanna buy?
I have no money.
You can choose one food.
Choose one food.
Okay.
Ayaw niya na kanay bata.
Asa, kulangan man na imong money, be. Kulangan.
Ikaw na kiti. Tag 20.
Oh, tag 20 mo. Oh, each. Okay.
Sa mukan. Ikaw first.
Come on.
Pick what you
guys,
want.
you already in high school but you don't know how to speak. It's Emma. Tag 20.
Pick what you want here.
Why you're so slow? Come on, make it fast. My time is running.
How much
Time
is this cow cheese?
It's 15 pesos.
Yeah, I want that one.
Here.
Thank you.
What's for the 5 pesos?
Safari.
Safari.
OMG, I have free food. Oh no! Oh my gosh, I have free food.
Oh my gosh, I have
Chupa chups.
What do you want, Kit?
Chupa chups.
Chupa chups?
Required nito.
Yeah, it's required because of our sponsor is want to guys to speak you in English.
Thank you for
Thank
this
you.
food. Oh my
You're
god, I'm
welcome.
going to put my mouth.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
What do you want, Chris? What is that?
Monster egg.
What is this? What is this?
Eyeball lollipop.
Eyeball. There's only one.
Make ate
Oh, you need to speak English.
Ate di ay
Oh, wala na ka ate man. Nakulit na eyeball. It's already done.
Ako nga po lain na po me.
You need to speak English. What else do you want to buy? What else do you want to buy? What is that?
Candy.
A candy? What kinds of candy is that? How many?
How many?
How many candy you want, baby?
I want about 4.
4? You want 4?
Yeah.
Ah. Are be,
May nahuman na dekat. Ate, ate, tag-ano kita. Ay ni ha, ayun eh. Ako ani.
Taga na order dre yan na. You want 4, Chris?
Yeah, kami.
Okay, 4. Okay na, be. You want 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. This one only? Thank you.
I like this.
Oh, what's that?
Tiko.
Stick. Oh, I don't have stick. Oh, there's no stick. Oh, there's stick.
Ay, I like.
There's stick. Oh,
This.
this one, the stick. Oh. Okay.
Kaniman, akong gisugo.
Oh, what's that?
Ah,
Bingo?
mango.
Bingo.
Ate.
Thank you. This amang ka, Joy.